already my shiro and that yes I will favorite video now. Subscribe it. Subscribe.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another educational video of building a house in Ghana. If it is your first time on this channel, my name is Gigo, and in today's video we'll be looking at the formation of the staircase to the first floor and the formation of the shutter slabs for the concrete work of the decking. Are you ready? Let's go!
This is how the steps started. First, you have to mark it on the wall. You take your measurements and do the settings. Then you can measure it. Then you can set out the base from the wall. So you set it up with a 2x4 and you support it. Then you can, because after this, then they will put either the plywood or boards on it, and then you can start forming the staircase on the wall as well as the board. This is the landing. The top is the landing, and this is the base of the landing. So this same distance here will flow up at the top here, and then to go up onto the next floor. After that, then the silverless will come. First, we will have to make a base. So we will dig. We'll break through this concrete, fix the rods. We have the laying bar, the base bars. We lay the base bars into the foundation, into the floor. Then we cast the concrete right over it. So the stabilizers will come and bend it finally onto the floor, onto the boards, and start creating the staircase. What will come from the down will be the one that will be on top. And then another one will come from the top and be the laying bars under before they bind the top. So that's how a staircase is constructed. So that's the beginning of it. The spacer blocks that we are doing. start bracing so that the beam does not move when the concrete is being cast. So we set the braces up. These are all ready now for the concrete, for the steel works, and then the concrete after the steel works. So all the beams have now been supported, braced and supported. All the beams now touch to done, ready for the beam, the steel works.
That's all we have for you for today. Until we meet next time, we love to see you subscribe, press the like button, share, and comment below. Look at do it.
Video no wa hwada bia no wa ya first one person over subscribe. Yaro. Yaro when you ma shiro and that yes I will video now subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.